today I'm going to be talking about a little bit about our company, Multistream. So I want you to pay attention because I've been getting so many questions about what this company is all about. So our company, it's actually called Multistream, and we will deal with natural products. Our company deal with natural products. When I mean natural product, I mean 100% natural products. However, we are not just only in the health benefits in our company. We also offer financial benefits. Okay, we tackle health issues and we also tackle financial issues. A lot of us who have been in this business already know this. We have been getting a lot of health benefits, a lot of testimonies, and we have been getting financial benefit. Now in this our company, we are being paid on a weekly basis. That's why I love this company. You are being paid on a weekly basis. The way you work, you earn directly proportional to how you work. We bring solutions to your health problems. We bring solutions to your money problem. We all know that the demon of poverty is sickness. Yes, the demon of poverty is sickness. Poverty and sickness go hand in hand. That's why our company came on with this vision that there are so many people that are battling with one sickness or the other because they cannot afford quality meals. They cannot afford nutritional meals. And when they fall ill, they can't afford medical fees. You understand? So our company came on board and said, okay, let's tackle this, the poor masses. Let's help people grow. Let's help them with their health issues and let's help them with their financial issues. You understand? You want to be a distributor in our company, or you may want to take our product for personal use. Any of them, you are good to go. For you want to be a distributor in our company, we have about 6 packages you can come on board. You can come on board with any package you are comfortable with. The first package, we have the Flexi. In this package, you are coming on board with 28,100 naira. For the second package, we have the Booster. Here you can come aboard with 47,600 naira. Then we have the standard package. Here you come on board with about 130,800 naira. We have about 6 packages, so you are free to choose the package you are comfortable with and come on board with. Then if you want to take our product for personal use, our product is 100% natural. Our product corrects all sicknesses in the cell, organ, tissues, and all the body. Okay, you want to take it for maintenance of your body, it's fine. Okay, our product takes care of everything. It goes into your bloodstream, work on your system, and keep you healthy. That's what our product does. Testimony I shared here some time ago, a woman took our products and in just a week she got herself. We have people with infertility issues, people with fibroid. You know, our product will get into the system and shrink all the abnormal cells. That's what our product does. We have all kind of sickness that can be taken care of by our product. Name it: infertility issue, hormonal imbalance, ovarian cysts, fibroid, arthritis, high BP, infection. Okay, our product takes care of everything, and it is recommended that you take our product for at least a period of 3 months. All the ingredients used in our products are natural ingredients, and they are good for human consumption. They are 100% good for human consumption. Okay, so if the product is working for others, you that you have been battling with all kind of things, all kind of stress, why not give ginger a try and see it work for you as it's working for others? Our product is NAFDAC certified. 100% NAFDAC certified. It is recommended and it's a Nigerian product. Okay, so if you have any question, you can go straight to my inbox, ask whatever question you want to ask, and I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you very much.